Welcome to aminacademy.com. In business mathematics, let us discuss about installment buying. You may notice that in an advertisement like pay just ₹1,000 and take home a color TV, rest in easy installment, or buy a car of your choice by paying 1 lakh and the balance in easy installment. Like this sweet advertisement, you may notice that such plans attract customers, especially the common man who could not buy some costly articles like a car, scooter, fridge, color TV, etc. due to cash constraints. Under these plans, a fixed amount is paid at the time of purchase and the rest of the amount is to be paid in installments, which may be monthly, quarterly, half-yearly or yearly, as per the agreement signed between the customer and the seller. Installment purchase scheme thus enables a person to buy a costly goods on convenient terms of payment. Under this scheme, the customer, after making a partial payment in the beginning, takes away the article for use after signing the agreement to pay the balance amount in installment. Such a scheme also encourages the buyer to save at regular intervals so as to pay the installment. Now we will discuss about some important point on installment buying. Cash price. The cash price of an article is the amount which a customer has to pay in full or for the article at the time of purchase. That means cash price is the immediate payment of some amount, partial amount of the total price of the article. Cash down payment, the amount to be paid in actually cash price is the total price to be paid by the customer to purchase some particular items. Then cash down payment is the amount to be paid in cash under an installment plan at the time of purchase of a commodity is called the cash down payment. It is the partial payment made by the customer at the time of signing the agreement and taking away the article for use. That means cash down payment is some part of the full payment when he want to purchase an item that they immediately have to pay. Installment, it is an amount which is paid by the customer at regular intervals towards the remaining part of the selling price of the article. Interest under the installment plan. In an installment plan, only part payment of the total cost is paid by the customer at the time of purchase. The remaining part of the cost is paid on subsequent dates, and therefore the seller charges some extra amount for deferred payments. This extra amount is actually the interest charged on the amount of money which the customer owes to the seller at different times of payment of installment. In some examples we solve here to understand this concept. Example, a television set is sold at rupees 40,000 cash or rupees 12,000 as cash down payment, followed by 33,600 after 6 months. Find the rate of interest under the installment plan. That means a customer wants to buy a television. The cost is 40,000, but he has to pay only 12,000 at down payment. Then rest of the amount after 6 months he has to pay 33,000 after 6 months. You have to, under this scheme, you have to find the rate of interest per annum. Yeah. Now let us start this problem. First, cash price. Cash price of television. Sub TV, a call. 40,000 rupees. Cash down payment rupees 12,000. Then the balance amount to be paid is rupees, subtraction is 40,000 minus 12,000 is 28,000. Now the present value of rupees, that present value means here 33,000 is a present value of to be paid after 6 months. Present value of 33,600 to be paid after 6 months is rupees 28,000. Here 28,000 original amount to be paid is 28,000, but has to pay 33,600 including interest. So that the present value of 33,600 is after 6 months is 28,000. Here let R percent is rate of interest per annum to be paid by the customer. Now here you have to find, that is 28,000 plus 28,000 for R percent interest, that is R by 100 for 6 months. After 6 months only he has to pay 6 by 12. It's a per annum is equal to 33,000. Now present value of 33,600 is here 33,600 here. Now we'll simplify this. This is 28,000 plus this, cut 2 zeros, cut this by 2, and this is 140. So 140 R, which is equal 33,600. Now further, therefore 140 R equals 33,600 minus 28,000, which is equal 140 R equals 5,600. Therefore further R equals 5,600 over 140. Let us calculate this. Here 5,600 divide by 140, which gives 40%. Therefore rate of interest, so we can write rate of interest is equal 40% per annum. That much interest we have to pay. Now, so far we have done is we discussed about installment buying in business maths. Then regarding that we discussed about some definitions, and we have done some problem regarding this concept. We have done. Please subscribe our YouTube channel.